Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Hacks for Small Businesses, where we give you real strategies to save time, save money, and grow your business, especially in high-risk industries like construction, logistics, and manufacturing. I'm your host, Dave Reese. I've spent over 40 years in safety and compliance, and today I'm sharing one of the most overlooked reasons contractors get disqualified from big jobs, and a smart fix that works even if you don't have a safety professional on staff. If you've ever been told you didn't meet the compliance requirements, been bumped down from a green status to yellow or red status on your contractor compliance platform, well, this episode is for you. Let's start with the problem, and it's a big one. Most small contractors working with platforms like Avetta, Veriforce, or ISNetworld are getting flagged not because of their job site performance, but because of missing or outdated safety documentation. These systems are built to help large hiring clients screen subcontractors. They want to know you're safe, compliant, and ready to go. But they don't generally come to your site to check. Most only judge you by what you upload. The three most common reasons for being red lighted are: 1. An outdated safety manual, meaning older than 12 months. 2. No record of training or sign-offs. And 3. Incomplete responses to required compliance items. And unfortunately, many contractors don't even know they're flagged until it's too late. You're bidding jobs and suddenly you're told you didn't meet the compliance requirements. It's not your fault. You're busy running your crew, managing costs, and juggling deadlines. But if that red light pops up on your profile, you're out. The hiring client or GC won't risk it. The good news is this is 100% fixable, and it doesn't require hiring a full-time safety professional or spending $10,000 to $40,000 on a consultant. Here's what you need to fix it fast: a custom safety program that actually reflects your business and the work you do, not a generic OSHA template that's been floating around since 2004. Compliance task tracking to stay ahead of renewal deadlines, training updates, and document reviews. These platforms want to see that you're active, not reactive. Proof of training, rosters, sign-offs, or digital logs that show your employees have been trained on the safety program you submitted. This is exactly why we built WorkCompSaver, a platform that helps small contractors do all of this quickly and inexpensively. With WorkCompSaver, you can generate a customized, underwriter-friendly safety program, track your compliance tasks with a simple dashboard, download ready-to-go training rosters and quizzes. And the best part? You don't need to be a safety pro to use it. It's built for business owners who simply want to solve these problems quickly with little to no headaches. In other words, check a box and get back to running their business. Imagine this. You're a contractor in Pennsylvania. You've got a solid crew, reliable work, and steady bids coming in, but for some reason you've been stuck in a red light status on one of the big contractor qualification platforms for almost a month. You're checking boxes, submitting forms, and still no green light. No explanation. Turns out the safety program on file is 2 years out of date, and there's no proof that your employees were ever trained on it. Your agent recommends bringing in a safety consultant, but the proposal comes back $15,000 with a 4 to 6 week turnaround. That can be a killer to your business. Instead, you use WorkCompSaver to solve all of these issues in under 30 minutes and at a fraction of the cost. Using WorkCompSaver, you will get a tailored safety program built for your trade, downloadable training materials and quizzes, and a clean, organized compliance tracking system. You upload everything for review and get green-lighted. 2 weeks after that, you're awarded a $600,000 job you would have been disqualified from just days earlier. That's the power of giving the system exactly what it needs, without wasting time, money, or losing out on work. Here's your smart hack for today. Log into your contractor portal and check the last updated date on your safety manual. If it's more than 12 months old, or you have no record of employee sign-off, you're at risk of being red flagged. If you want the easy and inexpensive way to address this issue, head to workcompsaver.com. No meetings, no sales pitch, no safety jargon, just a smart way to stay qualified and make sure you don't lose your next job because of paperwork. And as a bonus, your business may qualify for workers' comp scheduled credits or state-funded discounts. We help identify these potential savings and develop automated emails that can be sent to your broker, agent, or carrier's underwriter. The link to this free savings calculator is found in the show notes. That's it for this episode of Smart Hacks for Small Business. If you found this helpful, forward it to a friend who's been stuck in compliance limbo or paying too much for their workers' comp insurance. And if you're ready to take control of your compliance and start saving money, visit workcompsaver.com. So until next time, keep your business smart and safe.